Hi guys, and welcome to Learn Yoruba in One Day. This is Learn Yoruba in One Day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if it is your first time here. I promise if it's your first time, I will make a good video for you. Today we're going to be talking about the alphabets. Alphabets in the Yoruba language. These are not, that much different from the alphabets in the English language, which I think is similar to almost every other language that is every language that descends from Latin. What am I talking about? What is Yoruba from Latin? I don't know. So let's get straight into it and talk about the alphabets in Yoruba language. We'll start with alphabet A. So I'll do this in Yoruba. A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B. E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. This, let me just put this here. So it should be the other way around actually. This should be the other way around. The alphabet P is pronounced as that. It's pronounced as that. So if we can go from the start, we have A, B, D, A. Forgot to put the accent under there. A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B. So with this sound, you pronounce the G and B together. B. B. A, B, D, A, F, G, B. He, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P. This is a tricky one. K, P together, pronounced is P. In Yoruba, you don't say pere, it's P. You don't say pele, it's pele. The P sound is that. The P in writing is still the alphabet P, but in pronunciation is KP pronounced together, which can be very tricky. It's like smacking your tongue up the roof of your mouth. R. There's a roll to the alphabet R. R, S, Sh. So this sound is the SH sound. S, Sh, T, T, U, W, Y. So this sound is pronounced GB together. B. This sound is KP together. Alphabet P is pronounced KP together. B. This is SH. The sound, this alphabet's S with an accent under it is SH. Sh. So if we start from the beginning, the vowels, if you have an accent under the vowel E, it's a different sound from the one without the accent. The accent on that alphabet O is a different sound from the one without the accent. If I'll go over it again and you will pick the differences as I say it. A, B, D, A, E. Did you hear that? A, E. So it's interesting, this sounds like A in the English language. But this in Yoruba is A. A like in Ayo. Ayo. A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B. He, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. U, W, Y. So I'll go over it again. just so you understand and you can practice this over and over again. So let's do this together now. So I'm just going to touch on the alphabets and I'll let you have a go. Yes? And then after that, we'll do it together. Did you get that? Did you miss anyone? So we'll do it together now. This is A, B, D, A, E, F, G, B, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. So that's the alphabets in the Yoruba language. Don't forget these vowels that have accents under them. They have a different sound. So I'll just go over these two again. A, E, 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 O, 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 O. And then S, Sh, S, Sh, S, Sh. Maybe we can make a song out of it. A, E, O, O, C, Sh. A, E, O, O, C, Sh. I don't know what I'm doing. But yes, just for you to remember the sounds. This is A, E, O, O, S, Sh. Those are the sounds. And this, staring you in the face, are the alphabets of the Yoruba language. This sheet of paper, you can take a screenshot or come back to watch this video as many times as you want, but these are the alphabets in the Yoruba language. For the entire language, this is what you need. So this is the end of the video. So if you know you have anything that you struggle with, please leave it in the comment section and I'll do my best to touch on it as an entire video in itself. If you like this method of teaching, please let me know in the comment section so I can continue. I'm trying this out to know if it's an effective way of teaching, just to replicate a whiteboard system. Don't forget to subscribe to learn Yoruba in one day. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.